the ta form of verbs usually indicates the past tense. However, when a verb in the ta form is used in immediate succession, it can convey a command or an order, although this usage is usually perceived to be rude. Sentences using this grammar tend to be simple and concise. For example, saying 食べた, ate, just once is a simple statement of the fact that you ate something. On the other hand, if you utter this word with a rising intonation, it can turn into a question as to whether someone has already eaten. 食べた?食べた?食べた?食べた? In contrast, if you say 食べた twice, as in 食べた食べた、食べた食べた, it can signify a command urging someone to eat quickly. Another example, 行った行った、行った行った. In this sentence, the speaker is ordering the listener to go somewhere or to leave the location in which this conversation is taking place. A similar example, ほら消えた消えた、ほら消えた消えた. The verb 消える is to disappear, and ほら is an exclamation commonly used to draw someone's attention to whatever you want them to focus on. One more example. さあ寝た寝た。さあ寝た寝た。さあ is a phrase that we commonly use to invite someone to perform an action with you or to urge them to do something. This is the end of this episode. ほら、次の動画見た見た。